Iowa's new law regulating consumable hemp products has impacted many businesses since going into effect July 1st. Now, one of those companies is sharing their story with Local 5's Connor O'Neill, who joins us in studio. Connor?
Yeah, Larissa, well, I spoke with Happy Can based in Urbandale. They told me since the new state law went into effect, the company had to destroy 38 varieties of its available beverages, leaving a heavy dent in its profits. It had to do so because those edibles and drinks that had THC in them was a level above new limits. New regulation from Iowa that caps these drinks and edibles containing THC, a chemical compound that makes someone feel a high effect, at 4 milligrams per serving and 10 milligrams per container. It also sets a purchasing age limit at 21 years old.
We're quick to adapt. It hasn't been easy. This warehouse used to be full of beverages.
The Happy Can warehouse in Urbandale looking a lot different than it did before July 1st when the law went into effect. And that's because the company had to stop selling about 75% of its varieties of products, like many other businesses retailing similar edibles and drinks containing THC. Happy Can had been working on a drink months ago that contains 4 milligrams of THC as it prepped for the law to go into effect.
Thank goodness we did make that pivot, because here we are today for 4 milligrams, one serving, several lawsuits.
In frustration, 8 companies, not including Happy Can, filed a second lawsuit in federal court against the state in hopes of an injunction or temporary pause against the law. Governor Kim Reynolds said in the past the law was signed to protect minors from intoxicating products, but companies say this argument is invalid and they'll lose hundreds of thousands of dollars while the law remains active.
We look at it as if wine can be an option and beer can be an option and liquor, why can't these?
The court rejected a previous request from 2 other companies for an injunction last month before the law went into effect. And if the lawsuit presented before a federal judge suffers the same fate as the past one, businesses are remaining prepared to adjust.
If it stays how it is, we're going to comply. We're a firm believer, do things the right way.
Each of these companies must provide the state with a list of products following the new law's guidelines, but Happy Can, they showed me the state's website earlier today that won't allow for submissions since leaving the business in compliance limbo.